Hi guys, today I've made a video upon what is the best equalizer which defeats dolby equalizer. Before we get started, this is Aditya and you are watching TNK Marvel. So let's get started. So first, you should install the app Xplayer 3D. After opening the app, you will see Xplayer 3D, something like this. When you click on play, it shows trial expired. Go to settings, go to date and time and change the year. Now play. This is the equalizer. As you see, surround 7.1 here, and at left you see voice and virtual 3D and surround. But when you go to Dolby Audio, like this, it's of waste quality. So we prefer to use Xplayer 3D. You get several modes like surround 7.1, bass boost, treble boost, pan, classical 3D, acoustic 3D, and more. So this is in this video. Hope you like the video. If you like, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.